Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a easy glitter liner, and I know it sounds a lot harder than it actually is, but if you're not that great at doing like a cut crease, this will actually be very helpful for you. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. You guys already know, first step for the eyes, go ahead and prime them. And I say this in all my videos, but again, you can use concealer or actual eye primer, depending on what you have and what works best for you. And then go ahead and just make sure you set that so that it doesn't crease and all the shadows go on smoothly. And the eyeshadows I like to use is just the basic beige skin tone ones. Now that the eyes are primed, go ahead and just put in a soft brown into the crease with a very fluffy crease brush. Eyeshadow today, I'm taking my Artisty palette by Morphe, and it's 35V. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take another fluffy crease brush, but this one's a little bit more dense, and just go ahead and do the same thing to make it more of a softer transition. So the thing about eyeshadow, it's a lot of blending obviously, but most eyeshadow looks, I don't just start with one color for the entire look. You do have to softly add more and more so you get a better gradient effect. Be taking my Morphe E17 brush into my outer crease, and this is a tapered blending crease brush. So I kind of just put it on the outside only for now and focus most of the pigment on the outer corners, but then I do kind of blend up a little bit more too, as you can see there. And you can already tell this side has a little bit more definition than this side because of the darker shade that is more focused on the outside. And now going back in with these two shades right here with the same fluffy brush from earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure all of the shades are blended. Taking the same E17 brush, I'm gonna be taking these two shades here. This is a little bit of a darker purple brown, and just put that on more of the outer crease again. But this one we're not gonna blend up so much because it is just gonna be what's gonna make it look a little bit more smoky, but you don't want to go way too dark or else it's gonna be like a girls' night out look. And then again, just with the same fluffy brush, go ahead and blend that all out. And I did not add any other products. I'm just using whatever left over on my brush to just go ahead and blend this all together. So this will be really helpful to those of you that don't really trust yourself doing a cut crease, or if you just don't really know how to do that yet, that's totally fine, because we're going to be using the glitter liner to basically help us with that cut crease. So that's why I'm just using a basic like beige shade for the lids versus actually using like concealer or just a base for the cut crease. And now that we did put that lighter shade on the lid, it might run over our crease shades and our darker eyeshadows. So just go back in with the transition shade to kind of blend everything out again. But try not to get so much of the lid. So mainly just focus on the outer corners. And I'm just gonna hit the outer corners again with this same shade and just blend outward. And now time for the fun part. For the glitter liner, if you don't have glitter liner, this is what I usually use, because honestly the glitter liner is a little bit harder to control as well if you're not that great at doing liquid liner. So what I like to do as an alternative is use eyelash glue. So this one's a lot simpler because it actually comes with like a applicator like this, so it has a brush. But if you don't have that kind of lash glue, like I know the dual ones just come in a squeeze tube, you can definitely just put some on the back of your hand, just like this, and then you can use your brush to just go ahead and create that line for you. But since mine has a brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. And with this, you actually kind of have to work fast because the glue will dry up and you don't want it to look too messy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I line it in the right spot. So if you open up your eyes, you can see that your eyes will crease, and I usually go with the higher crease because that will open up my eyes a little bit more, as you can see here. But if you are monolid and you don't have that deep of a crease, you can just pretty much look upward and just see where your eyes will crease the most, like that. And that's where I'm going to be putting my glitter liner. And I like to just start right around here. Kind of stop in the center. And then just go ahead and put your shade down. Like that. And I just went over it with a little bit of white glitter because it wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be. And I can show you guys how we can clean up the mess that's on the outside of the liner. So I just take the tapered brush from earlier and just wipe around it and added no product on it. To make the glitter liner stand out even more, I'm actually not going to do any black wing liner. I'm just going to go ahead and put on mascara and then tight line and put on lashes. Alrighty, and then I just did my face off camera. It's just the same routine that I always do, so if you want to see that, it's in all of my other videos, and if you want to see what products I use, I'm gonna list it all down below as well. That pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.